Congress is fun because they make 15,000 of them each year. It's so open-ended that no two hackers can really have the same experience. It's a giant choose-your-own adventure in a way that barely any other place on Earth could recreate. And I'm thankful that it exists. But there's a weird part of the experience that is not really talked about. Have you ever felt alone, despite being in a building with 15,000 other hackers? I sure did. It's either multiple people wanting something from me at once, or not having anyone to hang out. It's weird. 1 second you may be looking for any familiar face, then another second you're back to the usual.
So you're about to show me a peculiar door, is that correct?
That is correct. Like we're trying to figure out if we can use those doors to get to the other elevator, because Locke is pissed at us for using the elevator too much. So you're saying that this will not cause any issues like shit.
I don't think you can actually open it, because it doesn't have a handle. As in, it has a, try pushing it.
Okay, well then
that doesn't work. Come here, and I think we will find you a door. Hello?
Okay.
Yep. Welcome to the back rooms.
Alright, that would work. So this is the ideal path, but in order to really make this work, we need to ask to have a key for the other door in our room, the one that you effortlessly opened, but that we don't have the key for.
See, I am this cool.
Yeah, that's cool, yeah.
Wood.
Yeah.
Wood?
Oh, wood.
Because they cut wood.
Yeah, okay, never mind. So, yeah. Ideally, we have a key for that door. So, you take the card, open the door, and we make a little loop like that.
I would help you if I could, but I don't have the key.
Yeah.
You can call someone inside and tell them open it right now, because it's openable from the other side, remember?
Yeah, but...
We could also potentially leave the card here, and then get it from the other side.
Oh, true. That.
It's just less carrying.
Yeah.
The creature.
Diese has his badge.
So will this idiot be able to tell me where the hell Infodesk is?
Jetzt muss du kannst
Terrible! They all keep saying that! Mia, do they do this all day?
Yeah, pretty much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
We have insider info. Oh! This one is IPv6 enabled.
Wait, what?
A 4-button row and a 3-button row just lay out like this without having an idea what to put there.
Let's just say.
These are the translation colors. Where can just sit and translate the talk.
Yes.
and use the funny mic whatever thingy.
Yeah.
You should not be here. Okay, what is in this room?
Dachfläche, so like a rooftop.
Ah, cool.
Danger of falling down. People don't want to fall.
Well,
Jia doesn't want people to fall down from the roof.
I guess we'll not go there.
So,
I'm good. Please go. Terms of the space, I didn't know how to get here. Yo, that fucks.
and a pair of shoes.
It's this spot. I've also heard of it.
Jägermeister was still standing there. When this building, there's the danger at this building that it's knocking you out of your shoes because of how great it is.
Thank you.
Can I definitely even move around?
Ooh, DMX.
It's saying, do not go down there, Einsturzgefahr.
Mood.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't kill yourself, essentially.
Yeah.
Cool, but like, you know, I like a good unsafe ladder. It's fine actually. Yeah, I got it.
And now for something completely different.
Everyone just died! Everyone died!
Denise.
Surprise Famfo.
Amfo.
Eli, do you know any Dutch words?
I'm not allowed to comment on this.
Eloy.
Where are we going?
We are going to Falafel House.
What are we gonna do?
We're going to get a falafel in honor of JN.
Subwoofers.
JN, we need you. I'm here at Hamburg and I have no idea what I'm doing here.
We're going to get a falafel, remember.
Falafel House! Falafel House! Hamburg expert here? No, not really. I'm just using organic maps.
Sponsored by Organic Maps.
I'm sorry, but organic maps is also problematic. You better use co-maps. You now cancel. Fuck it, I'm using Google Maps.
Is this gaming? This looks like a game.
Do you think that people called Sylvester during this time of year, they just keep getting like really stupid jokes about their name?
We asked our expert Famfo.
Me as an expert, I would assume that yes. Train!
Holy crap, let's go!
We need that B-roll.
Hell yeah!
We wish you a merry sex fault. We wish you a merry sex fault. We wish you a merry sex fault.
And a happy sick end.
We're just gonna get falafel classic.
Classic. It's so out of focus. Yeah. Food.
Good choice. Falafel.